See what this lady has over here cooking. Hello. Are you cooking? No? Nothing to eat? Satay? Can I see? See? Can I see? What? You're cooking? I don't think she understands what I'm saying. I don't think she's cooking. I don't know exactly what she's doing. Satay? Yes. You have satay? Here? Okay. I think that's, yeah, that's what satay is. Let's see. She's got... Oh no, I don't see it though. Let's see if she's on. Okay, there it is. She's not cooking it yet, that's why. I think she's gonna cook it on there. Okay, okay, thank you. That's an interesting grill. She's got embers flying everywhere. She's saucing it up. They look pretty small, but... Looks good though. We'll see what it tastes like. Can I see? I don't know if I want it yet, but I want to look. She points at it and she wants me to see if I want that.
Nasi sama-sama nasi?
No, not that one, not that one. Huh? Not that one. No, no, no. Just this one, this one. Yeah. I actually ate that one before and I didn't like it. I ate that somewhere else. I will look what they have cooking over here and I'll come back. I want to see what they're cooking here. Hello. Are you cooking?
Huh?
What is it? Chicken?
Chicken now.
Can I see?
Banana.
Banana.
Yeah.
Ah, fried banana.
Yeah.
How much for one?
1,000.
1,000 for one.
Yeah.
Okay, I will buy one when it's finished.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. They do fried banana in the Philippines too, so I usually like it. This just depends how it's cooked, so we'll see if that's good. No, not that one. This one, this one. I think she's putting peanut sauce.
Yeah.
That's the sauce. Okay, okay. Mixing up the sauce for me. Just put the chicken on there. Okay, okay. Thank you. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. You can set it down.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, thank you. Trying to get into the Federal Reserve here. You have change for this?
Yeah. Ira, tukari dulu, Ra.
Costs 15,000 IDR, so
Tukari sa iwani.
that's like $1. $1 US for this. But I can see why the chicken's pretty small. We will see. It's good. Thank you. It's got a peanut flavor. I think the sauce she put on it had peanuts. chopped up peanuts because it tastes very similar to peanuts. But it's good. Thank you. Okay, looks like it's done cooking, huh?
Yeah.
Fresh.
Nice.
What is that?
Cassava.
Cassava?
Yes.
I never heard of that. How much for one of those?
1,000 also.
1,000. So 1,000, 1,000.
Yes.
Okay. How long? How many minutes for fry?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see what this tastes like. It's good. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
It's hot, but it's good. Tastes different than the fried banana in the Philippines. In the Philippines, they fry it differently, and they also put sugar on it. This one don't have any sugar on it; it's just fried. So, but it's pretty good. I got some Muslim style food over here. You cooking?
Yes.
What is it? Can I see?
Bakso.
Bakso?
Bakso, yes. Chicken.
Chicken? Okay. I will come back.
Yeah.
I will walk around. Maybe I come back.
Oh,
I will look first.
Yes.
Thank you. I had that before. I didn't really like it, so. Don't think I will eat that. I need to stop telling people I'm coming back when I'm not. Hello.
Hello.
I don't know if this is a restaurant or not over here. They're playing pool. Maybe not a restaurant, maybe it's a bar. They're eating though, so maybe I think they're eating the street food though. Everybody's staring at me. Hello. What, the food? It's good? Okay, I'll try. Hello. Meatball? Can I see?
Hello, friend.
Hello, friend. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Good. You're playing pool? Can I see? Okay. How much? Okay, I will try it. Just a little, it's okay.
Hot?
Yes.
No?
Yes. Just a little. That's okay. It's okay.
No.
Soup. Okay. Thank you.
Oh, no, ada pernah. Siang pisang je.
Yeah. Thank you. How much? How much does it cost?
8,000.
Huh?
8,000.
8,000? Let's see.
Yes.
10.
Thank you.
Thank you. You can keep the change. No problem. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Sweet this tastes like. Hello. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, friend. Thank you. It's a lot better than I thought it would be, honestly. I will finish this and maybe go talk to them. Alright, just finished my meal. That was actually pretty good. Just the right amount of spice. Let's see what's going on over here. I could use water. I need water. Drink. They have here? Alright, you guys play pool.
That's good.
Ah, very small table.
Yes.
The balls are small. I think they drink. Thank you, thank you. You have water or no?
Yes, we have.
Water? Yes, water. Water, yes. Yeah, thank you. How much?
5,000.
Let's see. Thank you. Hello. I think this is a bar. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
You want straw?
No, it's okay. No straw. Thank you. You want me to sit next to you? Okay, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, friend. Thank you. They want me to sit next to them. US. USA? Very, very far.
Wow, what state?
Indiana.
Indiana.
Yeah, yeah.
I have been here.
You been there?
South Dakota.
You've been to the US? What state?
South Dakota.
Sokoto?
South Dakota.
Oh, South Dakota.
Yeah, South
Oh,
Dakota.
South Dakota. Oh, okay, okay. You like it there?
3 years. I'm working there.
Oh, you work there.
Yeah.
Doing what?
Hotel.
That's good.
Indiana. Minneapolis.
Yeah, Indianapolis.
Minneapolis, right?
Indianapolis.
Oh, Indianapolis.
Yeah, near Chicago.
Chicago, right?
Close to Chicago. Nearby. Yeah.
Di Bali aku aneh gede. Aduh, madam kerak-kerak.
Saya jangan kok. 2 hari nih.
Like joke.
Only joke.
Joke.
Masih ngerti banyak.
Surprise, surprise out here. Okay, thank you.
Yep.
I will see you later. Bye. Bye bye. Oh. Alright. On to the next destination. See what I can find. Hello. Nice bike. Interesting area. Whenever you get off the main road, you see a lot of different things. Hello. Hi. Friendly people though. Look at this kid, so young driving. Hello.
Hello.
How old are you? How old? 9, 10 years old?
Nggak bisa bahasa Inggris? I'm not speaking English.
Knows English, okay, no problem. He's very young driving motorbike.
Yes.
You good driver?
Yes.
Good. Maybe 9 years old or something.
Where are you?
Huh?
Where are you?
Where I'm from? I'm from the US. America. Yes. Oh, that's your kite. Nice kite. Hello. She's sewing. She might own a sewing business. Hi. Interesting neighborhood here. Right in the mountains. What? Where I'm from?
Your country?
The US.
US. Where do you stay here?
Yes.
Where do you stay?
In Lovina. Lovina.
In Lovina.
Yeah.
Speaking Indonesia, okay?
Huh?
Speaking Indonesia, okay?
No.
Little maybe.
No. Your English good.
Yeah, only a little. What's your name?
Better than my Indonesian.
Oh yeah. I look your face is seem like Asian people.
Yeah, I'm Filipino.
Filipino.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Manipakyo.
Yeah. Where do you go today?
I just walking around, explore.
Maybe you go to market, mini market with me, because I seller of there, only looking with me, no problem. Yeah, no problem. What's your name? Excuse me.
Tyler.
Mr. Charles, my name is Minta. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
nice to meet you.
Come here, Mr. Charles.
You want to show me?
With me, please. Makasih, man. Give me no problem, Mr. Charles. Alone you go here?
Huh?
Alone you go here?
Yes.
You alone?
Yes.
Okay. Where do you stay today? Today in hotel?
Hotel, yeah. Hotel.
Can you?
Okay. See you later.
No, with me. No problem.
Huh?
With me, go to market.
Market?
Very good.
I just walk.
Oh.
I already been to the market.
Oh, yeah. And you with me, no problem. Very good.
Yeah, my motorbike is there.
Oh, yeah.
My motorbike is there right now.
Okay, okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. They wanted to take me to the market, but I've already been to the market. That's where I did the introduction video, and that's where my motorbike is right now. So, but he obviously don't know that. So, see you on the next video. I'm out of here.